guys, nagbili ako ng anuhan ng plato kasi na siya, dirty na yung isa namin. So binili ko to siya, cost for I think, iwan ko 400 450. So iano ko to siya, kaya symbol ko to siya, mamaya ipakita ko sa inyo. So ito yung nabili ko para sa sa plato namin. Huhugasan ko pa to siya kasi may abog-abog pa siya, guys. Binigyan ako ng sales lady ng nubo na merong pa siya, merong black pa siya. Sabi niya nilinisan daw niya to, but palagi itong ganito, di ba? Ang natatawa yung nasa counter kasi daw hindi daw malinis. Sabi ko, ako na lang ang maglinis kasi ako naman ang bibili. Yan. So, ako na lang maglilinis ito. Kasi lilinisin pa naman to for sure, kasi hindi natin alam ilang daga na mag-climb nito. 'Di ba?
Hello vlog.
Hello, Bob.
Huh? Hello vlog.
Hello, guys.
Hello guys. Mawag na saya ka na.
Hello, Joe.
What? That's not hello Joe. That's mommy's baby, ba?
Kuan nga, murag i-drain mo.
Sa quiet.
Di ari oh.
Sa mom busy.
Mo na. Pataas lagi ni nga dira. Push mo yan kayo.
Circle.
Wow.
I think Mom has them upside down.
Hirap na to, guys, kasi ito
Ito.
yung stand na to.
That is for the reindeer.
Oh, got drain hole. You go pee pee. You got drain.
Mama buo.
Put it on the table and push it in. Set it down. Push it in.
It's a prank.
Good.
That's like that one, Dad.
Gotta lick the hole. Wait. Wait. No, you gotta do them all together. All together. Or it don't work. Let go.
Baby.
They gotta be together. Okay, got it lined up? They gotta be together.
Wow.
Pink guys, mama.
It's that. It's like that.
No, Daddy knows what to do.
This is for washing the puppies. We put the puppy up here, we wash them, they rinse. All the juice goes down here. We collect the poo-poo pee-pee. We make soup. Oh, May! 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 You got this on?
Yeah.
Poo-poo. Poo-poo pee-pee. We make soup.
What's this for this?
Yeah.
What's that? What's this, Dad?
That's a drain.
A drain?
That's a drain. It's made for washing dishes. It's a dish drain.
Dad, look.
It's a dish drain. It's
That's all it is.
Just be careful with that.
Why?
Mama. Nabubitaw na.
Make sure. Make sure.
Atong bato.
It's a drain.
Di lagi siya kaabot.
It's a drain.
Siya kaabot.
Can't put it on till you know what direction you're putting the water. What direction?
Wow. Don't put your hands.
Pasaka mo na.
Watch out for the water. They'll get you
Abot
now.
siguro. So, ito na guys. Layo. Unita.
Nobo.
Nobo. Nobo. What do you call that?
There's a spider in there. I put the spider.
Wow.
Yeah, don't look like nothing we can eat.
Look at me, Dad.
What?
Look.
I don't see you.
So guys, thank you for watching my bago kaming what is the name this one?
It's a dish drain.
Dish drain daw guys. Dishes for the dishes. Kasi
Say back.
yung ano namin
Gikagid.
dishes namin tagal na. Tapos ano na, may kagid-kagid na siya guys.
May asin-asin.
No, mate. That goes there instead of the
Wala
blue, and the drain goes out that side, so the water goes back in the sink.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
masaya na ako kasi mayroon na kaming bago. Kahit walang pagkain.
Get down.
So, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. So, guys, ito. May drain siya, guys. May drain siya. So, hindi na mag-stock up yung tubig natin. Well, nag-ano tayo. Nagwa-wash ng dishes. Okay na. So, it's perfect. So, guys, I will tell you that you buy this one if you have, what do you call that?
If you have quota.
If you have kwarta. No, it's only $4.50. But it's working good. Thank you so much to my members, Melissa Channel, Ate Rex Channel, Nice Style, I'm a Vlog, Madam Expressway, Madam Selfie Queen Anne, Always Mabel in Canada, Nono's Food and Travelers. Thank you so much and God bless.